Over the ages, the rice field of Bali became the identity of Bali and a symbol of the Balinese way of life. For centuries, rice has been the daily staple food and the central ingredient in the Balinese offerings and religious ceremonies, and considered a gift from the gods. The Hindu belief system also regards water as a gift from the gods that need to be shared responsibly and fairly to all living things. Trihita Karana, the Balinese concept of the harmonious relationship between humans, the earth, and the gods, is at the heart of the traditional, ecological, sustainable irrigation system. As far back as the 9th century, a water management system for farmland and rice paddy irrigation was developed to support religious belief, known as subak, and part of religious temple culture. The water required to grow rice and subak, the cooperative gravitational canal system that controls the water, have together shaped the landscape over 1,000 years. Historically, the temple priests were responsible for distributing water using the Subak canal system to farmlands and rice paddies. Water from springs and canals flows through the temples and out onto the rice paddy fields. Today is the farming community-based cooperative farmers working together to mutually benefit using the Subak system to manage the water supply from 1,200 water collectives, and between 50 and 450 farmers manage the water supply from a single source of water from within the upstream Subak system. Subak farming culture is the heart of the Balinese nation. Capitalism and tourism is threatening this system, with property developments and urbanization competing for land used for agricultural use. Without it, Bali would perish, and along with it, tourism. In 2012, Subak was awarded a UNESCO World Heritage Site to protect Subak, the land and its cultural and heritage for its future generations to come.